Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your orders in the Trandyol app. First you have to open up the app, then it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu and then tap on my orders, and here we will find the list of orders that we have placed, that we have received, that we have returned. This is basically the purchase history. And yeah, if you don't have any, you can just tap on start shopping and then buy some things. And yeah, so just go to account, my orders, and here you should have the list with the items. Because that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.